This short video is going to show you how to make a few changes to the homepage to your class. So I'm going to go ahead and get into one of my classes. And this is what students see on the homepage, just almost exactly as what you see it right here. So at the very top, there's a banner image and the title of the class, the term, the day of the week, and the time and location. If I wanted to change any of that, I'm going to go to these three dots on the upper right. If I wanted to change the image, if I wanted a different mountain image, I could do that. And I'll use that image instead. If I wanted to customize my own image, I could upload something right here if I wanted to do that. It should be about 2400 by 960 or some close variant to that. If I wanted to change any of this text right here, I can customize that banner text. Just click on custom, and you could be able to add something else to that title if you wanted to. So next on the list, you'll probably want to change the profile widget right here. And to do that, I'm going to click on the little arrow next to single profile widget, configure this widget. And personally, I'm going to get rid of heading right there. I'm not going to have anything there. And under display name, I'm actually going to put my name. I'm going to change this color here. I'm going to have it be something close to a good Carthage color. I'm going to upload an image of myself, or you could have something else that represents the class if you wanted to do that. And I'm going to get rid of about me because there's not a lot to write right there with just 32 characters. But under biography, I would tend to put office, contact kinds of information right in there. And then I'm going to click save. And my profile widget is done. So with the announcements right here, announcements are pretty straightforward. When I create an announcement, headline, put something in the content right there. You can have a start and remove date, so you could do these ahead of time if you wanted to. You have the ability to do that. To let you know when an announcement is created, it does send out an email to the people in your class. That's how we have it set, because usually when you announce something, you want students knowing it. They're not going to be in your learning management system class every single second of the day, but having it go right to their email is generally a good thing. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. So the other two widgets that you see here for the class, you're going to see like a calendar right here. Eventually this will get populated with the assignments and things that you have created, and the same for the work, to-do list of due dates and other things, and your students see that as well. So those are some very basic configurations for the course homepage. I would definitely suggest doing the single profile widget and getting that set. All the other things, except for the announcements, are probably okay just to leave it as is, unless you don't like the picture. Thank you and have a good day.